Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Arlo Spotlight. So on the face of the camera itself, you see the lens, you see the light sensor, the microphone and speaker, the PIR sensor. Alright, so on the bottom of the camera, we have the sync button, and underneath that, we open this little rubber flap up, which covers the USB-C port for charging and also connecting a solar panel if you have one. Alright, and on the back of the camera, we have the mounting stud for the mount, where you screw in the mounting bolt to be able to mount this camera. Alright, let's look in the box. Alright, let's pull the other two cameras out. Pull out the tray. Okay. As always, we got the setup guide. We got the Arlo compliance and safety guide. Okay. All right, and we have the screws to basically install the mount. Of course, we have three of those, three packages of those. And then we have our USB-C charging cable. And this one is kind of medium size, medium length. And last but not least, we have your camera mount. Okay guys, stay tuned for part 2 of this series where I will cover the setup of this camera. Thank you very much. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be setting up my Arlo Essential Spotlight camera. So the way I'm going to set it up is I'm going to be syncing it to my smart hub. I am not going to be going over how to install the Arlo app. I covered that in another video. I'll link that video in the description. Okay? So I'm just going to navigate to the Arlo app and sign in. Okay, so I'm signed in, and I'm going to hit the plus sign up here, and I'm going to add a device. Alright, of course I'm going to add a camera, so I'm going to click on cameras, and then my camera is in the Essential series, okay, and it's a spotlight camera. Alright, because the button is, the sync button is located on the bottom of the camera. So I'm going to select that. And then Essential Spotlight, select that. Alright, yep, it is located on the bottom. Sync button's located on the bottom. Continue. Alright, it detected my smart hub. Hit continue. And it's checking for updates on my smart hub, checking for updates. It can take up to a couple minutes to finish checking for updates on my smart hub. Got to keep the firmware updated. Alright, my firmware is up to date. Alright, so basically I'm going to hold this sync button on the bottom for 2 seconds until we see an LED light, a blue flashing light. All right, got the flashing light. Hit continue. It's looking for the camera. All right, the camera's found. Name the device. I'm going to name it. Then hit continue. All right, checking the bandwidth, which is poor. I'll fix that later. Okay. It did a recalibration. It's strong now. Fixed. Hit continue. All right. It's found it. Hit continue. All right, it's now active. I can see it. Now finish. Okay. And we all know when you buy a new camera, you get 30 days of cloud recording. You get a trial period for 30 days. So I'm not going to turn that down. I'm going to click Get Started. And then boom. There we go. That's it. Stay tuned for part 3 of this series, where in part 3, I'll show you how to mount the camera. Thank you very much. Hello guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of the series. Today I'm going to teach you how to mount the camera. The tools that you're going to need is the 3 mounting screws, the wall mount itself, a 9/16 drill bit, a drill, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pin. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark the position of the drill holes with the pin, and we're going to basically use the wall mount to do that. Alright. Alright. Alright, that's done. And now that we got that done, now we're going to take the drill and we're going to drill the holes. Alright, so now we're going to line up the mount and then screw in the screws. Okay. that screw. Screw. One thing about these screws, they are not going anywhere at all. Real long. Right? Go just snug them up a little bit. Right. And then next, I'm going to mount the camera. So we're just going to kind of swivel this around. That's where it was. And then this tightens it up. This little lever right here. And then basically just screw it on. Alright. And just put it where it needs to go. There we go. It's mounted. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much. Catch you later.